Hi, I'm Steve Lepkowski. Welcome to the Bodyline family. Today, I want to introduce you to the product that's going to change you from those low days when you just don't have a lot of energy, or if you're an athlete looking for a little bit more momentum out of your workouts, or if you're a woman looking to build some muscle mass, we've created the product for you. I want to introduce you to our product, the Mass Disc. This is simply designed to go on your body. We're going to place it right below our belly button. Clean the area well. If you have to remove some of the hair, go ahead and put it right below the belly button, and you're going to find that your body is starting to see a realization of the testosterone that your body can create. Now, all of our bodies, whether you're male or female, create testosterone. In men, it's created in the testes. In women, it's created in the cells of the body, but mostly around your ovaries. And this is created now to boost your body's ability to create muscle mass. So if you're an aging woman and you start to see your muscle mass disappear, or you're an athlete looking for that boost, this is the kind of product that you're going to wear, and it's going to push your body to produce the most amount of testosterone it can. Men, over time, due to bad habits and environments and food, we tend to drop the amount of testosterone that's in our body unnaturally. Our body's being pushed to less and less testosterone. Imagine this patch is going to push your testes to produce the most amount of testosterone that it can. It's going to give your body that push so your testes produce the testosterone that you need to build the most amount of muscle mass. If you're an older gentleman like myself, this is the product that's going to give you the vitality to feel that energy back that you've been looking for. It's not going to push your levels above your DNA level, the level that your body wants. It's going to just push it back to that level where your testes were designed to create that for your body. I promise you, this product is going to make you feel better, push muscle mass. Okay, it's not going to make your hair grow back, but it's certainly going to make you feel good throughout the day. The protocol is simple. Set it below your belly button, leave it on for 3 days. Put it on a Monday, day one, wear it all day Monday, all day Tuesday, all day Wednesday. Remove it on the 4th day and go without it. Now, some of us might need 2-day break, but for many of us, we can go ahead and add a new patch starting the 5th day. So we put it on in day 1, we leave it on in day 2, leave it on in day 3, and take it off on day 4, and start a new one on day 5. The package comes with 12 cycles, allows you 12 3-day cycles in your body. And at the end of that time, you might feel like, oh my gosh, this feels good, and I want to keep going. Or you might say to yourself, hey, I've had enough, I'm feeling good, and I'll put the next packet, I'm going to leave it in the wellness cabinet, and I'll come back to it when I'm ready to push my body again. It's a phenomenal product. Our feedback's been fantastic, and I encourage you to try the product. We have a 30-day money-back guarantee if you don't get the results you're looking for. But I promise you that this is the kind of product that people from 18 years old to 99 years old can find a benefit in getting more testosterone in their bodies. Thank you, and have a great day.